Shwaban poi kasngi rakhe ya National Handloom Day haka nyau tarik nailur uni usnam 2000 ki Nongthain balapan tibet na National Handloom Development Corporation NHDC kilawan ban ai Jinghikai kumno ban Wieh Rong yaki Jain haki Nongthain Jain ka Thamri Bhoi hasajer Community Hall haka khandai tarik naitung kajing thmu jong kani kajing hikai kalong ban pen tibet yaki Nongthain Jain ka Thamri Bhoi bakin pen mi yaki Jain ki badan ki Rong ba itnat ki ban khring yaki khmat jong ki Nongthain haki yo ki hat jong kari India daki spa ngut ki Nongthain Jain nari Bhoi kilawan ban shim banta ha kani ka lumpung hikai Wieh Rong Jain ha kani ka sngi UPL Singhal Manager Commercial NHDC Limited ha kajing kran ulakan tu yaki Nongthain Jain ban pendan kam daki Rong ki ba itnat ban khring yaki khmat jong ki Nongthain ki Jain ki ba pernai Rong klempep kin ya yo bha bat kin tiu ya ka yo ka kot ula ong ula ya ro ya ka jingnang ban pentebet jong ki Nongthain Jain ka ni ka jela ki bala pendan kam de ki Rong ba ki la san na ki ding ki ba mi paho ha ki klau sau dong ki snong ki thau jong ki ula pen kut ya ka jingkran da ka ba ong ki Jain ki ba mi na Thamri Bhoi ki shat phalang ya ki jinglong tun rai jong ka jai ban riu ka ba ya pher na ki wei pan
this is like 2 gram. This is applicable for all. For all fibers. So it helps to remove the unfit dye. It's very necessary to improve the faucet property.
This 20 gram. For 100 grams, it's 2 grams.
So this treatment time is around 15 minutes only. Please explain it. This is treatment time 15 minutes and temperature should be around 50 to 60 degrees, not above that.
For washing purpose, this is veggie super. For to remove any extra color remaining in this. The color will come even, level, and we have.
This is a workshop on natural uses of natural dyes in textiles, organized by Ministry of Textile Development Commissioner, Ministry of Textile, and here by Regional Office, National Handloom Development Corporation. This workshop is related to uses of natural dyes on textiles in place of synthetic dyes, and these programs are being organized on all India basis under Ministry of Textile in the run-up of 11th National Handloom Day. Ministry is organizing various other programs like DIY program and GI workshops in different clusters all over India level. So here Meghalaya and this Shillong area has participated, and our associate Ama Herbal laboratories from Lucknow, they have given the full detail how to use natural dyes in textiles. Natural dye is beneficial because it is not harmful for body. Fabric, this textiles used after using natural dyes, all these benefits are there compared to synthetic dyes. So we are trying to promote natural dyes in this area for benefit of weavers, so that they will have value added products. Their earning will go up, because on export level and all India level awareness for natural dye is increasing. People are accepting the natural dye product even at higher rates also. So Government of India also promoting this concept of natural dyeing on all India level. They are providing funds, they are providing technical support, and even state government is also very helpful. They are also promoting and mobilizing the local weavers. They are also arranging infrastructure for usage of natural dyes on local level also. Thank you.